Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the sticks to response on the Turtle Beach Atom controller. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Atom app and make sure that the controller has been paired with your phone for this to work. Then we're going to go and hit these three bars, go to response, and here we have a few options. So for the left stick, you can change the response standard, precision, and fast. So you have standard, which is just this straight like response mode. Then you have precision, which makes the sticks more like responsive to your movements. You can like really aim well with them. And you have fast, which allows you to really quickly turn the sticks and they will react also faster. So you can select any of those options, and you can also do the same for the right stick. And once you've selected that, you can just exit out and the settings will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.